Hi guys, my name is Rohan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I have created this series of learning videos to help people learn Talend ETL tool and MasterNet. This course is suitable for any beginner to intermediate in Talend. I'll be covering basics, fundamentals, architecture, and several real-time scenarios, problems, and solutions to it. I will also be adding advanced tutorials to benefit advanced users of Talend as well. I hope you like it and learn it from these videos. If you do so, please do like my videos, share, and subscribe. So what do you learn from this series of videos? We'll start with Open Studio. We'll start installation. We'll talk about fundamentals, best practices, and we'll learn about the various sections in the tool and how do we use it for our real-time problems and solutions. And then move on. We'll include a series of tutorials on data integration and big data platform additions. And then we'll have series of videos working with various components within Talend, and some of it related to databases like MySQL, SQL Server, and several other databases. And we'll also have videos on working with XMLs, JSON file formats, and we'll also work with AWS Cloud. We'll interact file push and pull from S3, and we'll also interact with Redshift and many more on AWS Cloud. And we'll cover some of the aspects in talent administration part, creation of users, projects, how do we schedule it, how do we work on troubleshooting it, checking the logs, and things like that. And we'll cover basics on command line. This is where we can learn about performing certain activities without the GUI, basically from a command line. And we'll have series of videos on real-time scenarios as well, and we'll cover some of the common issues that we all face, like null pointer exceptions, exceptions related to memory, spark tuning, fine tuning, performance tuning, and we'll also include some of the analysis skills, wherein in case of a particular job is failed, how do you analyze, how do you troubleshoot, how do you fix it. So those sort of videos will also be included part of it. And finally, we'll also include some of the interview tips and tricks. I'll provide you some of the guidance on how do we prepare for interviews, and we'll have a lot of documentation. I'll be giving my GitHub link so that you can download some of my resources for, let's say, source file, target files, database scripts, everything I'll try to share and help you guys with. Why wait? Let's tune into my channel and happy learning. Thank you.